Hello, everyone. I'm Paul Bagan, a certified Dale Carnegie course trainer and coach, bringing you the Dale Carnegie Tip of the Week. Dale Carnegie says, arousing the other person an eager want. Sometimes we think that's easier said than done. How do I do that? It's very simple. Be genuinely interested in that person. Take time to learn what's important to them. So when you know what's important to them, you're in a position to talk in terms of what their interests are. And when we talk in terms of other people's interests, we are in a better position to create an eager want and a desire. So there you have it. The Dale Carnegie tip of the week. Arouse in the other person an eager want. Until next time. Have a great day. This is Paul Bagan with Dale Carnegie Training.